You want to know how to set up your propellers on your Dji FPV drone, then stay connected to this video. So it's not complicated. We have 4 propellers here and they are divided in 2 groups, the red ones and the blank ones. There is a red circle on those 2 ones and there is nothing on those ones. The propellers with a red circle are to be mounted here, and the others are to be mounted here. So A group, B group. If you don't respect that, you're gonna have problem when you're going to start your FPV drone and try to fly it. So let's go. Let me remove that protection here. Just going to, okay. Good, so it's the first time I do it. So let me try how does it work. Should not be that complicated to lock it. So it's not complicated, you just need to push it, and the one with the red circle, you just need to twist them counterclockwise. Let me grab those ones, clockwise and counterclockwise. And okay, so that's pretty much it. Let's start this FPV drone journey together, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Cheers, guys.